Hey everyone, welcome to 1 Minute IT Shot. Today I'll show you how to safely update your BIOS. First, press Windows plus R, type msinfo32, and press Enter. Look for BIOS version/date. This tells you your current BIOS version and your motherboard model. In my case, I'm using a Gigabyte B850 motherboard. Now open your browser and go to the official Gigabyte website. Search for your exact motherboard model. Make sure it matches perfectly. Go to the support section, then click on BIOS. Download the latest BIOS version available. Restart your PC and enter the BIOS by pressing Delete while booting. Important: do not turn off your PC during the update. Once it finishes, your system will restart automatically. And that's how you update your BIOS safely. See you in the next 1 Minute IT Shot.